हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द विभोर शो। और जैसे कि आपने वीडियो के टाइटल में देख ही लिया होगा, इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ वो रूटीन जो मैंने फॉलो किया था ड्यूरिंग माय प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बैंक एग्ज़ाम्स। तो बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, मैं आपसे एक बात शेयर करना चाहता हूँ कि फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन आई विल ट्राई टू मेक वीडियोज़ इन इंग्लिश बिकॉज we all know that English is like a wife which won't let you live, which won't let you die। अर्थात इंग्लिश एक ऐसी वाइफ की जैसी है जो ना तो आपको चैन से जीने देगी और ना ही आपको चैन से मरने देगी। मैं ऐसा क्यों कह रहा हूँ, उसका रीज़न ये है कि आपके जितने भी मेजर प्रिपरेशन जितने भी मेजर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स हैं उनमें एक सेक्शन ज़रूर आता है इंग्लिश का। एंड वी ऑल नो इंग्लिश हमारी मातृभाषा तो नहीं है, तो हमें तो भाई प्रिपेयर ही करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए सेपरेटली। एंड अगर आपको इंग्लिश सेक्शन के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है तो मैं तो ये बोलूँगा आपकी जितनी सेंसेस है आप सबको यूज़ करें, बीट रीडिंग, बीट राइटिंग, लिसनिंग और स्पीकिंग। तो ये तो हो गया बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शंस। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। आई यूज़ टू गेट अप एट 8 AM इन द मॉर्निंग, 8 AM or 8:30 AM। And I know I'm not an early riser, I'm not a night owl either, because I know my best efficiency is from 10 AM to 10 PM. So after finishing off with all the natural processes and having a healthy breakfast, the first thing I used to do was I started reading newspaper, which was The Hindu. And it took me around 3 to 4 hours to cover off my daily targets, which used to be most of the time 8 to 10 pages. And yes, let me clear one thing, that when I said 3 to 4 hours of reading, I did not mean that I read newspaper straight for 3 to 4 hours. I mean, that is pretty boring. Instead, I followed that 45-minute, 15-minute strategy. Means 45 minutes of reading, then 15 minutes of rest. You can follow 50-10, whatever you like. Then by the time my newspaper reading was done, it was already lunchtime. And here is my little secret. For the last couple of years, I have never had lunch. Instead, I used to consume a few biscuits or namkeen typos. The reason for skipping lunch was, after having lunch I used to feel dizzy and sleepy, which hampered my preparation. That is why I left having lunch. And by 2 PM or 2:30 PM, it was my quant session. During my quant session, I used to do 6 to 7 DIs or at max 10 to 12 DIs on a daily basis, and those DIs used to be the lengthy ones. So once this DI target was done by 4 PM or 4:30 PM, I went back to my bed, then watched some TV or YouTube videos or the common man stuff, or sleeping. Then after that, from 5:30 PM or 6 PM, I started reasoning. So in reasoning, I used to solve 10 to 12 puzzles, that too on a daily basis. It took me around 1.5 hour or a couple of hours. After finishing off with the reasoning questions, then it was a longer break from around 7:30 PM to 9:30 PM. In between, I used to watch TV, news, or anything you like. Then at 9:30 PM or at max 10 PM, I started general awareness. In general awareness, I have already made a video what I used to follow, what sources I followed. So by 11 PM or 11:30 PM, my GA was also done. And then comes the next day, the same routine, and every day comes with a new opportunities. Here I would like to add one more thing. I never followed the same routine for months or for years. No. I believe in improvisation. According to the situation, you have to change your routine. The reason being, time is all about changing. Because if you keep following the same routine over and over again, it becomes boring and demotivating and frustrating. So I would suggest follow whichever routine you want, but keep changing your routines so that you don't get demotivated. And the key to success is practicing, revision, and confident approach. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And if I missed on anything, please write down in the comment section. And also please let me know if there are any specific topics that you want me to make video on. So until next time, take care of your family, take care of yourself, keep smiling, and yes, the corona cases are on rise, so always wear a mask and use hand sanitizers. Right now I'm not wearing a mask because I am inside my house. This is my room. All right, actually this is my Didi's room, but who cares? So keep smiling. Thank you.